Hi everybody, today I have a little bit of a different video, including a face reveal. Now the main aspect of this video is, I recently bought a Tesla Coil kit off of AliExpress for about $4 including shipping. It was off of choice, so it arrived in about 9 days, which is pretty quick. And so this is the coil itself that it comes with. It's insulated with on Kevlar, this, and it's very finely wound. It's very nice. And there's this one right here, which is longer than this one here, which is shorter. Then there's also a switch, just some sort of like keyboard switch. Then LED, these one microfarad, these 1 microfarad capacitors that are non-polarized, and then just some standoffs when it's finished. And today I want to solder this and make this. Gotta record a video. Oh, and it comes with the PCB itself, so you're gonna actually need hot glue to stick the coil onto the PCB. Also a DC jack, so this works on 12 volts, and the BD243 power transistor. This is what this kit is named after. It's named after this transistor. And it also comes with this bulb here that lights up when you put it near an arc. And you can do experiments with that. You don't bring it close and all that, and then it's going to light up. So now I'm going to solder this together, put it together, and see how it works. So it's finished, and I connected my power supply to it, and this is the bulb it comes with, so let's test it out. There we go. Now, I don't see the arc, but it is very bright here, so yeah, there. Let's try that with a CFL bulb. So the room's dim now, and I added the standoffs to the bottom. So let's try now. I think you should be able to see the arc better now. At least a little better, I hope. It only has 3 legs. Kickstart like that. Yeah, you can see it right there. Bring my finger close, it kind of dims. I can hear a 50 hertz hum coming from the circuit. Whoa, that's bright. It's up my whole desk. Crazy. This bulb. The further up it goes, the brighter it glows. And then if I bring my finger close, you can then see the arc. Let's turn it off. I'm going to turn it off because the transistor heats up pretty quickly and you can easily get burnt. And that is the entire build. So this thing costs about $4, and you will need a hot glue gun or some sort of glue to glue the coil onto the PCB, otherwise it's not gonna stick. And that's it. So, very small PCB. Here's my soldering joints. I'm not sure if you can see it. Hold on. Here's my soldering joints. They're not. Dang, you can't see. Okay, I should be able to see it now. There. These are my solder joints. See, they aren't the prettiest, but at least it works. And then the standoffs here. There's 3 standoffs, 2 in these corners, and then 1 in the center on this side. That is the entire video. After this, I'll actually put up a video of a CFL in the bulb without any commentary in a dark room. So, with that, I'm going to end this video, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.